Hi, this is Chef Jay. I'm gonna show you how to. This is the wild duck. We're gonna show you a different way to cook it. So, right here, here's the few duck of the breast. I'm gonna show you how to use salt and pepper making. So, make it a little bit bigger. Cut it, not too small. You wanna make it a little bit thicker. We're gonna put a little pattern. Put a little bit of flour later on. I'll show you how it's done. And then right here, just cut it up, large pieces, not small pieces. So you can see a pretty big size. So remember, I do not use MSG cooking. So I have super seen it. The other one I do not use MSG in it. And then right here, and you see how cook it. And make sure this is a cleaver knife. It's very helpful to use. You could use a small knife. It's up to you. If you haven't got it, I think highly recommend you to get one of the cleaver knife. It helps you to learn how to practice just to cut and then chop. At the same time. So you can see right here, that's done. So we have a few duck, pull out the breast, and then I want to make a meal out of this. And then all I need is pepper here. So we put a little pepper, sauteed it, and put a little salt on it, just to bring out a little flavor. Not a whole lot of salt, just a little bit. So that's it. So you can see it and grab it and mix it up in a few minutes, and I'm gonna cook it so you see how it's going on. So right here, let it saute for a couple minutes, and I'm not gonna cook it so you can see the difference. All right, this is Chef Jay. I'm gonna show you how to use the duck breast. We cook a different style. This is cornstarch. Maybe put around two spoons. Mix it out. We're gonna deep fry it, and then 2 teaspoons should be more than enough. We just want to sear the duck. After I marinate it for 10 minutes, I'm gonna see how with this duck sealed with cornstarch. So you see it right here, it's all sealed. And then I'm gonna put it into here and let it deep fry it and cook it from here. Here, we're gonna put it in there. You can see it here. You can see, I'll put it in here in a couple minutes, and it should be all cooked. Well, this is the stuff you needed. This is jalapeno and green onion. So you can see why it's cooked. This is the only 2 things we're gonna need. Okay. So after this is done, and I'm gonna use it just to show you. So this should be really quick. Hopefully, in a couple minutes, it should be probably done. Probably it's already cooked already, so I just want to make a little bit with a little crunchy, a little bit, but not a whole lot. So because it got a lot of fluid inside, so the cooking you can see the bubble. That's still a lot of fluid in there. So I think it's cooked already. So we're gonna put it up here, and then let me just check it. It's all the way cooked or not yet. So we're gonna open it one on one mouth. Still not yet. So we're gonna wait for another few more minutes. good stuff. But actually, this is the first time I ever cooked it with wild duck, you know. So we'll see how it goes. So this should be probably come out pretty good. We do this with a prawn or salted, pepper salted prawn the same way. So I'm doing it with a little bit different kind of meat, so this should be okay. Let's see it. In a few minutes to be all done, I think. Let me see. Let's check it. Check one of them. We'll get open it up. So it is still not quite yet. But just for a couple more minutes. Still have a little blood in it. So I think it should be good. I think it should be good already. Already I checked it was pretty close. Right now, everything's drained out. So we're gonna come down here and then fire the wall. And then first of all, we're gonna put in the jalapeno here. Once we fire that up. So you can hear this thing right here. Just mix this. So we could have some flavored out of the jalapeno. And then I'm going to dump this in. So I'm going to put this out of the way so it's not blocking it. So stir a little bit. Gonna a little bit stir, cook the jalapeno a little bit. You know, jalapeno needs high heat to release the aroma. And once that's ready, you pour in the onion. Now I'm gonna pour that in right now. So, you know, just stir fry it so you get the high heat on it, you know. So see it. All you need is pepper. Put a little pepper on it. And then salt. So mix it a couple more times. See if you can add a little bit more pepper. And we're gonna add a little bit more salt. So that should be it. Remember, I don't use MSG, so you know you see how this is, what it is. So this is wild duck, festival honey. And then we call salted pepper duck breast. Right now it's done. Let's see, we put it up. Let's see what it is. So this is a complete meal here. So this is from Chef Jay, and make sure you subscribe. Chef from Makara. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice